Is there a catch when it comes to the ATM business? That's what we're going to talk about on this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck, and I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011, where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Obviously, folks want their own ATM business for different reasons, but generally it's to generate consistent monthly cash flow, passive income, also big chunks of cash in small time frames, and they want to get out of their 9-to-5 jobs, to have a better retirement, just have more freedom, to have more control over their investments. Different reasons for each person, all right? And that's what I help them do. If you would like me to help you start your own profitable ATM business, I'd love the opportunity to. What you'll want to do is you want to go to atmbusinessblueprint.com, enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, on the next page, there's going to be a video. It's about 28 minutes long, super informative. Watch that video first. And then if you still would like me to help you, fill out the application on that page, schedule a call with my team. They'll hop on a phone with you, figure out what your goals are, figure out if one of my trainings is a fit for you, and then if so, boom, we'll take it from there and I'll help you crush it with ATMs. All right, so what's the catch when it comes to the ATM business, or is there even a catch when it comes to the ATM business? So somebody asked that question, when trying to get into my free group, and I love this question because it is an awesome question, right? It is a legit question, especially in this day and age. And here's the thing. When it comes to the ATM business, the automated teller machine business, yes, there is a catch. The catch is you got to do some work. You got to do some work, guys, right? It's not like you're going to be like, ooh, I'm going to start an ATM business, and then you're never going to do anything ever, and you're going to sit on the couch all day and eat bonbons and make money. That's not how it works, okay? So the catch is you have to do some work. You have to be persistent, right? You got to be diligent about things. Like there are going to be some things when you first start your ATM business that are not going to go your way. That's like trying to open a bank account. You might talk to 10 banks and they might all say, no, we don't work with ATM business. We won't let you open up an account for that business, right? You got to be persistent. You got to be willing to get up every day and go to work and go talk to more banks, okay? That's just part of the business, right? You got to get up and you got to work every day to get a business owner to say yes. Because you're going to hear way more no's than you're going to hear yeses, okay? That's just the facts, okay? I usually tell my students that are completely brand spanking new, don't ever talk to people about sales, don't ever talk or have conversations with people, like just completely new to them. I tell them it's going to take them talking to 20 business owners before they get their first yes. Can you still be persistent when you have 19 no's in your face? Are you still willing to get up and work and go talk to that 20th business owner? Right? That's the catch, guys. That's the catch. All right? You got to do work, right? You got people out there that want you to think that, yeah, it's passive income. You don't have to do anything. And, it's easy street. You can become a millionaire overnight. That's BS. Okay? That's just not how it works. It's not how anything works. It's just not how it works. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a get-rich-quick, business. It is, I tell people it's a marathon, not a sprint, okay? So you got to be ready and prepared and psyched up to run this marathon, okay? That's what it is, all right? You're preparing yourself for a long, fulfilling financial future, okay? And you got to be willing to put that work in to get there. It's not going to happen overnight. It is not going to happen overnight. Now, can you get to the point in your ATM business where you're not doing much? Absolutely. You totally can. You can design your ATM business any way you want, right? You can design it in an effect where you pay people to find locations for you. You can design it where you pay people to fill your ATMs. You can design it where you have pay people to service your ATMs. You can literally do nothing and still make money from your ATM business. Yes, you can do that. I don't recommend you do that at the beginning. Not at all. You got to learn what you're doing first. And it's going to take work for you to build up to start making the income where you can afford to pay people to do that. Hopefully that makes sense. So hopefully you understand this catch that I'm talking about when it comes to the ATM business. Honestly, it's a catch that is involved in any business that you're going to want to be successful in. If you want to be successful in any business, the catch is you got to work. Sorry, you got to work. Yes, you're going to generate passive income. And remember, the definition that I use of passive income is passive income is income received on a regular basis with little to no effort required to maintain it. So yeah, you're going to have to put a little effort in, okay, with your ATM business. In the beginning, you're probably going to be putting in way more than a little bit of effort, right? So when I first started, I put in a lot of effort, right, in the beginning. Then you get it set up, and then you put in less effort, right? Like right now, I fill my machines once a week. That's it. Now, if I do events, which I do in the summer times, I'll do events on the weekend. Again, it's a little bit more effort. I got to go set the machines up, then go do whatever I want to do. And then, whenever the event's over, I come back and pick them up, right? Yeah. It's honestly not that much work, but it's still work nonetheless. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So, yeah, I'm working to set them up. I'm working to pick them up and break them down. But in the middle, I'm out doing whatever, and I'm making money, okay? Sometimes I've been known to take a nap, or, my wife and I just do our errands for the weekend, or we do whatever. Sometimes we play poker, it's whatever you want to do, right? It's your business, it's your weekend, but those machines are out there making you money, or making me money, right? If you would like them to make you money, and you would like some help from me, I'd be honored to be your ATM business mentor. I don't work with everybody. I'm very selective with who I work with. Been doing this a long time. I know who I like to work with. I know who I don't like to work with, because I know who is going to put in the work and who's not. So if you would like to work with me, I encourage you to go to atmbusinessblueprint.com. Once you get there, you're going to enter your email address, and then you're going to come to a video. It's about 28 minutes long. Super informative. Please watch it. Please watch it first, okay? If after watching that video you're like, yeah, I'm totally down with this, I want to do this, then fill out the application and you'll schedule a call with my team, and you guys will talk and figure out your goals and figure out if we're a fit for one another. If so, awesome. I'd love to help you. If not, I still wish you the best of luck. I want you to still be successful. If you have any questions about any of this, please feel free to post your questions below. Also, don't forget to click that little ATM machine right there and subscribe to this channel. And give me some thumbs up. Give me some likes, please. Please. And yeah, one more thing. If you have any ideas for a future video you'd like me to make, post that below too. Right? I do read your comments. Sometimes I get a little bombarded and I miss some comments, and it takes me a while to get back to them, but I do try to get through them all, okay? All right, well, that is it. Hopefully you figured out the catch in the ATM business isn't really a catch after all. It just means you got to do some work in the beginning, right? You're going to put in more work in the beginning, so you have to put in less work towards the end, all right? I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.